Hi Cancerians, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of November is going to be for you, and we are going to cover health, wealth, relationship, soul, every area of your life. So to begin with, this month is a month of growth. This month is the growth of abundance. So things that you've been analyzing, that you've been looking for, that you've been expecting money flow from, are going to give you that flow, are going to give you that benefit. And finally, not though it was slow, but the independence is coming on your cards, and there is world card, so it kind of says that the whole world is going to be together, your cycle is going to be complete, and you're going to get a lot of benefit out of the things that you're doing or you've done in past few months. The only thing is that there is a burden on your heart, so there could be situations, because there is Four of Cups, there could be situations that are not exactly how you imagined them to be, but know that they are happening because they are meant to happen in that particular way for your benefit. So anything that comes to you in this month is for your benefit, and know that it is very important for you. Another thing is, and I think I missed that in Hindi video, but there is the Judgment card that I've been seeing in all the videos continuously, and in your spread also there is a world card that I see. So it kind of feels that there is going to be some announcement worldwide that is going to impact all of us, but it is not going to impact us negatively as such, so don't worry about that. And just that be aware that some announcements at world level are going to happen. If we talk about from your health perspective, I don't see any problems on your health as such. I see rather your health growing or improvement happening in your health. So slow, but the steady growth in your health. The only thing that I would tell you is, one, take care of your heart health, because there is a heart card, and with your heart health I would say that, because kind of travel I can see on your card, so take care of heart health in terms of your emotions and in terms of what you eat and what you drink, because if you are going to travel, eating and having clean water or drinking good things are going to be important for you. And second, just know that emotionally don't feel drained, don't feel that things that are happening are not happening how you wanted them to be, and know the fact that whatever is happening right now, if you see there are 3 cups here, there is 1 cup that is coming from the clouds. It's the hand of God, and that is why what is happening for you or what is coming for you for this month is a blessing in disguise, and that is why you don't have to take it on your heart. And if you don't do that, other than that, I don't see any health issue coming for you. If you talk about your wealth and money, the center cards are 9 of Pentacles and King of Pentacles, and then there is Knight of Pentacles. Money wise, I don't see any problem at all. Money will flow into your life from all sides, from all angles, and especially something that you've been waiting it to flow from, or you've been investing your efforts into from past few months. The money will flow into your life. The only thing is, I would suggest you that if you want to make investments, either make them by end of the month, or especially no investment in specifically property. So in the house or in home, don't make any investments, and other than that, investments, ensure that you do that by end of the month. Also, though I see a travel on your cards, but I would suggest that don't go on a travel like a holiday with family, or don't go for study plans for abroad or something. Don't go for anything like that, because I see 4 of Wands kind of on your nose space. So I think that's not going to be a good idea for this month. By the end of the month, you can try those things. If you talk about your relationships, I think this is the month of going solo. This is the month of focusing on yourself, focusing on your independence and growing yourself. And though I see other people on your cards, but it looks like this is a month where you have to become comfortable with yourself, where you have to accept the things that are there in your life, accept the way you are, and then you move forward to relationships or other things in your life. Also, if any of you has been waiting to propose somebody or get married, there is kind of a delay that I see in that happening, but with that delay, don't take that to your heart and don't think much about it, because that delay is happening for a reason. Like I said, there is a blessing in disguise, there is a world card, and it is not the best time to propose, or it is not the best time to tie the knot, and that is why this delay is happening. And also, I think you wanted to be like more independent before you get into that, so that way this will help you to get there, and that is why this is actually good for you. Don't get disheartened with this. Another, the baby birth, I would suggest that don't try that this month, or try that by the end of the month. Why? It's not that it's a bad month. The only thing is that probably you need to work on your health and improving your health, and also probably you want a financial stability before you want to have a baby, and that stability is coming this month. So you'll be more open for it. You'll be able to kind of be more happy with it, and you'll be able to celebrate it in a better way. That is why try for a baby next month and not this month. If we talk about your job and career, I see opportunities opportunities opening up for you, opportunities coming from you for you, because there is King of Pentacles in the center card, there is Nine of Pentacles. So money flow or job wise there shouldn't be a problem. There is Page of Wands in the beginning, so you can get opportunities if they were not been there. There is Ace of Swords, there is King of Cups. So I see opportunities flowing to you. The only thing is that it could be in your mind where either you don't want to pick up the opportunity that is coming for you, or you think that it is not exactly how you wanted it to be, and that is why there is a burden on the heart. So, or this could be a possibility where you wanted to move to business from the job, and finally your business has started moving upwards, and you have to now decide whether I should be in a job or whether I pick up the business altogether full time, and that is another thing that is burdening your heart. But if you actually take clear decisions, if you accept the things that are happening in your life, if you accept the proposals or the things that are coming your way, your job or work is going to be beautiful, good, and giving you good results in abundance. If there's a choice between choosing between business and your work, I think business is going to be a good option for you, because kind of that is what is seen on the cards. And if there is a growth, or you were wanting to have growth in your life or during this month specifically, then that growth might not come in the beginning of the month. So don't get disheartened, because by end of the month I see that growth happening. Business or work related travel could also happen based upon your cards. If we talk about your soul path, the thing is, this month you need to be open to receive. You need to be open to receive. You need to go with the flow. You need to accept the things that are happening in your life, and you need to know that whatever is coming into your life is basically coming from the divine, and this is where you are going to open up for your soul growth. So that is why it is important for you to accept the situations. If that means that you're walking away from people in your life, if that means that you need to heal yourself first, that is okay. If that means that you are traveling away from somebody you would not wanted to travel away from, or moving away from somebody that you didn't want to move away from, know that it is happening for a reason, and it is going to work out wonderfully well for you. And that is why this month focus on yourself. This month focus on accepting the things, going with the flow. That is going to be very important for your soul growth also. Chakra of the month, heart chakra, and specifically because there is heart issue, so heart chakra, please meditate on heart chakra. The mantra of heart chakra is Yam. It's located in the center of the chest, and please practice this. It is going to help you big time this month. The mental exercise of the month is going with the flow. Going with the flow, so you're going to affirm for the whole month. I allow myself to go with the flow of life. I accept everything in my life as it is. I know everything is flowing to me towards abundance, towards growth, and that is why everything that is coming into my life is my blessing. You can also practice thank you exercise. That's going to help you. One thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, there is Star card and there is Hermit card. So basically the cards are saying that focus on light, focus on what is happening for your growth, for betterment. And if you focus on light, if you see that light, if you focus on growth, if you open yourself and go with the flow of life, you will see a very bright things coming into your life, a very bright future coming into your life, very bright future unfolding for you. And that is one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month. What will happen if you follow the advices of the cards, and what are the angel cards saying? The first card is the Wheel of Fortune. It says new beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. And that is the change in direction that I kind of see, that it might not be something that you really wanted or you were thinking about, but whatever it is a change of direction that is going to lead you towards happiness. So accept that change. The second card is Nine of Gabriel, which is Nine of Wands. It says stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility, environmental activism. So that is why new possibilities are opening up, and you need to be prepared and you need to be open to accept them, because once you are open, you will actually see things happening. The last card is Six of Cups, Six of Raphael. It says embrace your inner child, new friends or rekindled relationships, children or childhood. So basically this is the card which is saying that you have to heal your inner child. You have to connect with yourself, be independent, be yourself. And once you start doing that, you heal your heart, you heal your emotions, everything is going to unfold beautifully for you, and that's the month for you. The number of the month for you for this month is going to be number 4, and the color of the month, any shade of golden, green, black or gray is going to be good for you. also just know that this month whatever burden you feel is not really actually there. The changes that are happening to take you towards a new growth. Please accept that everything is a blessing in disguise this month for you. Your cards are very positive, they'll lead you towards abundance. Please like the video, share the video with everyone that you can. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done that. There are free series on learning tarot reading. If you're interested, watch it on my channel. There's a series on soul growth. There are a lot of videos on positivity. Whatever you like, you can watch it on my channel. Please share the feedback, how these videos are resonating with you or not resonating with you. Your feedback and comments are very important for me, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.